What's the meaning of course of action? Course of action. Course of action.
Course of action. Course of action. The term course of action refers to a series of steps or strategies taken to achieve a particular goal or objective. It typically involves evaluating various options and deciding on the best approach to achieve a desired outcome. The result of a successful course of action is that the goal is achieved effectively and efficiently, with minimal negative consequences. However, if the course of action is not well planned or executed, it may lead to negative outcomes, such as failure to achieve the goal or unintended consequences.